Hi guys, I'm Layla. I'm an intern at Oracle on the database tools team. And today I'm going to show you how you can create a database and code SQL queries in your favorite web browser. Yes, you heard me right. No downloading, no virtual machine, no hassle. It's all free, all stored in the Oracle Cloud, and it takes about 4 or 5 minutes to get set up. Let's get started. So first, you're going to want to go to cloud.oracle.com and set up a free account. It's super simple, easy, and it takes a few seconds to get signed up. After you do so, go back to cloud.oracle.com in your web browser, and you'll see a page similar to this. You'll see your cloud account name listed here, so go ahead and press Next right underneath that. After you press Next, you'll come to this sign in page here. Obviously, go ahead and press Sign In. After pressing Sign In, you'll come to this page, which is the dashboard. And today we're going to be focused on creating an autonomous transaction processing database, which should be listed here under Recommended for you. For me, I put it over here in my pin since it's probably the tool I use the most. So go ahead and press Autonomous Transaction Processing, which should be here. After you've done so, you'll come to this page here. This is where all your autonomous databases are listed. Super easy, right? Go ahead and press Create Autonomous Database. Next, you'll come to this page here, and this is where you can configure and customize your database. So go ahead and put in a display name. After you've put in a display name, scroll down and to choose workload type, press Transaction Processing. Below that, deployment type, choose Shared Infrastructure. Configure the database, press Always Free. Scroll down, and this is where you can input a 12-character password for your database. It's 12 characters, like I said, so be creative. Scroll down to choose Network Access and press Secure Access from Everywhere. Scroll down to choose License in Oracle Database Edition and choose License Included. And lastly, you can input an email for notifications and announcements from your database. You can go ahead and input an email there. And that's it for setting up your database. And last thing to do, press Create Autonomous Database. And now we're getting to the fun stuff. Here it says that your database is provisioning, which basically means it's setting up and getting ready. Once this turns green here, that means it's ready. It takes a few minutes, but just be patient. And looky there, it's green. So that means it's ready for us to play around with. Now go ahead and go to this Database Actions button right underneath the name of your database and press that. After pressing Database Actions, you're going to be brought to this page, which is basically your launchpad for your database. Super cool, right? It has a lot of tools for you to do and use within your database. But today we're going to be focusing on creating a table in your first database. So go ahead and press this button here, SQL. Now here's where you can write SQL queries and create tables. It's going to prompt you to do this little mini tutorial, and I highly suggest that you go through it yourself. So see here we have Object Browser. You can edit your PL SQL objects here. This is where you can edit your queries, and so on. Now let's just play around and create a table called toys. After I've written my query, I'm going to go ahead and press this button here, which runs it. And look, table toys has been created. Now that we've created our toys table, let's go ahead and put some values into it. I've written an insert statement here, and I'm going to press run. And look here, one row inserted. Now let's select from our toys table and see if it pops up. And look, Frisbee. Isn't that so easy? There's so much that you can do within SQL Developer Web. It's actually crazy. As a student and an intern, I've been so happy and passionate about this product that they've come out with. And I really feel like it's super helpful for those that want to get started with SQL but don't know where to get started. I'm going to be creating more tutorials about what you can do within SQL Developer Web soon, but I hope this was a really good start for you. Thanks for watching.